Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you more iPhone tips and tricks which you didn't know about. Before we begin, at the moment only 1% of my viewers are subscribed and watch my videos. If you're new here and you enjoy tutorials on iPhone, iPad, Android phones, social media applications and giveaway, then please subscribe and turn on bell notifications for future video updates. So let's get back to the video. As Apple introduces new iOS every month, there are new features and processes which are being added to the operating system. This improves user experience and makes your iPhone more enjoyable and productive to use. So let's start off with the first one. Did you know your iPhone has a built-in magnifier? This is great for people who have a bad eyesight and are struggling to read small text on a paper or a device. To enable this, just go into your settings, then accessibility, then magnifier. Make sure you enable this option. Once you do this, you should see an icon on the desktop that looks like a magnifying glass. Tap on it and now you can use it to magnify text. It also has a person detection where it can detect how far the person is from you. The next one is really cool as this can help you listen better, or you can use this to spy on others. This is to do with your AirPods. So first, let's go into your settings, then Control Center, and then enable the hearing option. After that, make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone and put one in your ears while the other somewhere on the table. Now go back to your home screen and bring down the Control Center. Long press on the hearing option and now you should see the screen. Tap on Live Listen to enable this option. Now this will amplify any sound your AirPod, which is sitting on the table here, to the other one. This is great for people who have hearing difficulties in college and universities. Now the third tip is where if you're taking a screenshot on your iPhone, people just tend to tap on it to edit it or swipe it to the left to look at it later on. But there is a secret here where you can long press on the screenshot itself to open the share option. From here you can send it to your friends direct or have access to these extra options. This saves you the extra step of going into your photo library to retrieve that screenshot or tapping on the screenshot itself. Did you know you can take a screenshot of the whole page rather than what is being shown on your screen? So you can do this by taking a screenshot, then tapping on the screenshot, and then tapping on full page. And as you can see, it has included the full page in your screenshot. You can also edit and change how much of the full page you want, or you can select part of the page only. Once you've set your screenshot, then press done. The next one, which I bet you did not know, that your iPhone has an inbuilt translator ready for you to use free of charge. So go into your settings first, then find Translate, and then make sure on device mode is switched on. Now this is a cool app as it allows you to download the language pack before you go to a country where you don't understand or speak the language. This is really good in situations where you don't have mobile data or you are on a limited data plan. Once you download the language pack, it does not need any cellular data or internet to use the feature. You have a large selection of language on this app to choose from. This app can translate from English to your desired language. It can also listen and also answer for you to the locals. The last one is where you can connect two pair of AirPods to one iPhone to listen to the same music. So in order to do that, first make sure your music is playing in the background on your iPhone. Then open the Control Center and then where your music widget is, press on the symbol that looks like an airdrop. Now you'll see this option where your AirPod is selected. Below that, you can tap on Share Audio to share it with another AirPod. Bring another AirPod close and it will then recognize the AirPod and then connect to it. Once it is connected, you'll then need to tap on Share Music. This option is not only limited to another AirPod, but there is a wide selection of Bluetooth ear headphones you can connect to. This keeps your AirPod hygienic and you're not spreading the bacteria from one person to another. And there you go guys, those were the iPhone tips and tricks which I think most of you didn't know. Do let me know in the comment section which did you already know, or share with me any new ones you knew. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.